So the efficiency of class AB amplifier, you know that efficiency of class A is 50%. Okay, efficiency of class A is 50 and class B is 78.5. So definitely you can say the efficiency of class AB will be in between the two. So it will be between 50 to 78.5 percentage. So the efficiency of class AB amplifier is between 50 and 78.5 percentage. You cannot exactly specify the number because depends on what value you take for R1, R2 and RE. It will be varying between 50 and 78.5. Only if you fix the values for R1, R2 and RE, we can fix clearly say what is the efficiency of class AB power amplifier. Otherwise, we can only mention the range of efficiency of class AB. And also for class AB power amplifier, there is no derivation for the efficiency because it is just operating between class A and class B. So we have studied class A thoroughly, you have studied class B thoroughly. So class AB means the diagram you have to draw and you have to explain what is the duration of the transistor conducting, and you have to explain where is the Q point located, and you have to explain how choosing R1, R2 is going to help in your class AB operation. And finally, you have to say what is the efficiency range for class AB power amplifier. That's why they say the efficiency is more than class A, it is less than class B. The efficiency of class A, maximum value of efficiency is 50%. So it is going to vary between 50 and 78.5. It will not go beyond 78.5 or it will not go less than 50 percentage. So minimum 50 percentage efficiency is guaranteed and maximum efficiency is 78.5 percentage. And you can relate that. So if the be all based on Q point only. So the Q point is here, it is 50. The Q point is here, it is 78.5. So if you move the Q point towards saturation, the efficiency will increase. If you move the Q point towards the middle of the load line, your efficiency will decrease. So depending on what direction you are going to move your Q point, accordingly you will have an efficiency of 50 percentage or 78.5 percentage efficiency in your class AB power amplifier. So anybody has queries in class AB power amplifier? Please ask any doubts if you have in class AB power amplifier. I am going to pause for a few seconds. Even if the doubt is very basic, get it clarified. Circuit wise, only one change. I'm going to add resistances R1, R2 and RE. Otherwise, if you compare the circuit of class B and class AB, it's going to be exactly the same. There is no difference in your circuit. Any queries in class AB power amplifier? See, when you study all these amplifiers, you should not study them one by one. You should be comparing them and studying. Then only you will understand which amplifier is working in which region and which amplifier, what is the circuit diagram, how the circuit diagram of each amplifiers are getting different, and what is the efficiency of the each amplifier, and which where is the Q point of each amplifier. So only when you compare and study all these amplifiers, you will understand them better. You will be very much strong in their fundamentals. So you have to study all the amplifiers in parallel. You have only 4 amplifiers, A, B, A, B, C. So study all the amplifiers in parallel. So if you study circuit diagram of class A, study all circuit diagrams of all the amplifiers so that you can understand where the circuit diagrams are going to change. If you study the Q point, see where the Q point is there for all the amplifiers. If you study the circuit functioning, study the circuit functioning of all the amplifiers. So if you study the efficiency calculation, do the efficiency calculation for all the amplifiers. So if you do everything parallelly, you can minimize time and you can learn all the 4 amplifiers in a short amount of time, and you will clearly differentiate in which portion a particular amplifier is getting different, or in which portions the circuit diagrams are uniform. So you will be able to understand that when you study all these power amplifiers in parallel. Okay, study them parallelly, you will find them very very easy. And this unit second half is fully power amplifiers. First half is fully high frequency operation of BJT. Okay, the second half is very very easy in this unit. First half will be little bit of dry. it will also be interesting, but second half will be very easy because you just need to study about the four amplifiers.